So we're already doing really well at showing rhythm in printed music. We've got some different ways of showing notes that last for different numbers of beats. Like, for example, our very familiar, hopefully by now, whole note, that lasts for 4 beats, our half note, that lasts for 2 beats, and our quarter note, which lasts for 1 beat. Hopefully, those are becoming incredibly familiar to you. But say we need to show a note that lasts for a different number of beats, perhaps a more unusual number of beats. Well, there's lots of different ways we can do that in printed music, but in this video we're going to have a look at what is called a tie. And this isn't something you wear around your neck, it's a way of connecting two notes together to make them into one longer note. So let's have a quick look at an example. Say we wanted to make a note that lasted for 5 beats. Well, we can definitely do that. The way we do it is to take one of these, a whole note, which lasts for 4 beats, and one of these, a quarter note, which lasts for 1 beat. Now normally these would be two separate sounds. We'd play this for 4 beats, and then we'd play this for 1 beat. But with a tie, we actually join them together, tie them together if you like, with a line, and that makes them into one sound which lasts for 5 beats. 4 beats plus 1 beat equals 5 beats. In future videos we'll be having a look at why we might use ties in the music that we're playing or the music that we're writing. But for the moment let's just practice tying some different notes together. Let's try a quarter note tied to a half note. Now normally these would be two different sounds, one lasting for 1 beat and one lasting for 2 beats, but by drawing this tie, connecting them together, we have a 1 beat sound added to a 2 beat sound, making altogether a sound that lasts for 3 beats. So let's have a look at one more example before we finish. Here is a whole note, and here is a half note, and here is a quarter note. Now, we might not see examples like this very often, but it's sometimes possible to join 3 notes together with ties just like these. So can you tell me how long this sound would last for? Well, again, very straightforward. We have a 4 beat sound, and a 2 beat sound, and 1 beat sound. So let's add those together to make one 7 beat sound. And it's as simple as that. Now you know what to do when you see a musical tie.